Hello, my spooktacular artists. Welcome back to Easy Peasy Art, where we're diving into the eerie world of Halloween. Get ready for a thrilling adventure as we draw and color a spooky mailbox that's bursting with chills and thrills. Let's start by sketching our spooky mailbox. Look at that! Our mailbox is so spooky that even the letters can't stay inside. They're popping out and falling like eerie whispers in the night. Next, there's a sign that says Spook Mail, because, well, it's Halloween. And check this out. See that blood oozing down? This mailbox means serious Halloween business. Right in the middle, we'll draw a menacing skull and add blood droplets here and there to give it that spine-tingling touch. Our mailbox is not just any mailbox. It's dug into the ground with a bone popping out. Now that's what I call a bone-chilling mailbox. Some mischievous little ghosts are bursting out with letters. They can't wait to haunt your mailbox. To intensify our scene, let's add a couple of eerie bats flying around. Under a spooky half moon and ominous clouds, it's like something right out of a Halloween movie. Now comes the magical part, coloring. Grab your reds for the blood, deep blues for that nighttime feel, yellows and oranges for a haunting glow, and let your creativity run wild. And there you have it, our spine-chilling spook mailbox, perfect for the Halloween season. I hope you had a scream of a time creating this with me. Before we go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this ghoulishly fun drawing. Stay creative, stay spooky, and until next time, happy haunting!